Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about visible surface detection and gonna continue the topic about about recognizing patterns in an image. Some it basically means that let us do first slideshow. Yeah. Yes. Basically, recognizing the patterns means that there are some special properties of images which can tell us which objects in your image is far, which object is near. So, to capture those essences, and there are some relations in between the images, objects, so that we can understand how they are placed on the paper. So, there are two topics. First is sorting and then is coherence. So we were discussing about sorting. So when I in the last video I tried to explain you about what is the general meaning of sorting, and that sorting is done on the basis of some particular property which can be physical, color, for example color, or you may say size, and on that basis we arrange things in ascending or descending order. So now I'm going to talk about how sorting is really used in computer graphics algorithms, and why do we even need sorting. So yeah, this was the example of crayons sorted on the basis of light to dark color, approximately sorted. So yeah, in the last topic I tried to explain you that image, whatever image we see or whatever objects we see are basically made up of millions and billions of pixels, or you can say simple words, dots. So when lots of dots combine together, they form a solid object. For example, I'm showing you this painting which I made entirely of dots. This penguin is entirely made up of dots. You can think of even the solid black lines is made up of a lots of dots very close together, so they look like a line. And yes, you can see that the places where the penguin's color is dark is their density of dots is more, and the places where the penguin's color is light, the density of dots is less. So here this object is white, right, on the belly of the penguin, so it's made up of blue dots to show many shades of white. Even there is not a single shade of white, there are a number of shades of white you even might not be knowing. So yes, the beak is orange, so there is orange and red dots placed on the beak. And yes, on the feet brown dots also used, brown dots to make the essence of looking dark. And near the hands, so how do we understand if there is hand or body? We can only understand the border of any object when there is a color difference between the border and between this hand color and the body color. So there is a little bit of color change which actually shows you that there is a hand present. So in real objects, you might be seeing that there is no black outline which tells you that yes, this object is separate, that my table is separate from my laptop or my book placed on it. The color difference actually tells us that yes, one object ends here and the next object has started. Yeah, moving to the next drawing. This is an example of a mandala art, where all the object, the essence of a flower is entirely made up of millions of different sizes of dots. The central part where there are seeds are made of dots, big dots, small dot, different color dots. And the near petal, far away petal, the colorful petals, they are all made up of dots. So when the dots gaps are very close, we actually think that the surface is continuous. So we don't understand in the image or the digital image photographs that there are so many dots placed because they are very close to each other. So yes, this was I explaining why do we need these dots, because these we are going to sort on the basis of the distance of these dots which we are seeing on the object, these dots distance from the viewer point. See, for example, you can think of that you are taking the picture of this flower, and this flower this flower's distance from your camera is different. Parts of this flower's distance from your camera will be different, like the front petals distance will be lesser than the far away petal, bigger petals dots distances. So in computer graphics we are sorting these dots distances from the camera, from high from nearest to the farthest, that is the smallest distance. So, what's the essence it captures by the smallest distance? If we see all, if we see in this example of billiards balls, we see that there are a number of billiard balls, and we all know that all the billiard ball sizes are exactly the same. But you can see from this angle what we have taken the picture, that all the dots on the surface of this billiard balls is nearer from the camera. So this distance will be less, and the all the dots present on the orange ball is far away from camera. So distance from the orange ball and camera is more than the distance of green ball. So if we sort the all the points on the basis of distance from camera, then all the all the points on the object which is nearer to the camera will be shorter, and which will actually tell the computer that smaller distance dots are making the closer object, and the dots which are far away are making the dots are making completing and giving the information for the object which is far away. See, all which are, this one is near, this and these points are near. Even point which is more nearer than the green ball is this purple and white ball. So all the information of purple ball will be saved in the image in the form of a matrix actually, which will tell that all the balls on the purple, all the points on the purple ball is nearer, it means that purple ball is nearer to the camera, so it has to be placed closer in on the page and bigger in shape on the page. So actually the distance, sorting the distance actually gives the essence of the size of the image to be, size of the object to be placed, and where uh, which position to be placed on the paper, that is near or far, bigger or smaller, on, so to give us the essence of a real life feeling to us, real life object feeling, sense of feeling as we see through our eyes, similar same as we will if we take a picture from the digital camera. So yes, that's all from today on my side. I will give more examples on sorting using the contour plots in the next video. So, thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, then please like this video. If you like this video, then please hit the like button. If you loved our channel, then please subscribe our channel. So that's all from my side today, and thank you very much. Bye bye. Stay blessed and stay healthy.